I've got deadlines on the table, people waiting on my call. Every number, every detail has to line up, has to fall. There's a meeting in the morning, and they're counting on my part. If I don't deliver clearly, it could fall apart. So I check it one more time, every line, every word. If I miss a single detail, will it all be overheard? I have to get this right. There's no space for letting go. I have to meet the standard more than anyone will know. But I must believe I can. I must focus, must stay clear. I have to do this well, but I must control the fear. I don't say it to the others, but I feel it every day. It's not just about the outcome, it's the way I choose to play. I hold myself to something higher, even when no one can see. If I want to move forward, it depends on me. So I steady my breathing, try to slow it down inside. If I trust in what I've practiced, I don't have to run and hide. I have to get this right. There's no space for letting go. I have to meet the standard more than anyone will know. But I must believe I can. I must focus, must stay clear. I have to do this well, but I must control the fear. I have to meet the moment, that's the role I'm standing in. But I must decide within me where the pressure ends, begins. I have to get this right, and I'm ready now to try. I have to take the pressure and not let it pass me by.